Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to properly remove or replace the headlights from any Audi Q5 made from the year 2008 and up. So today I'm working on this car, and as you can see I already removed the front bumper from this car, because otherwise if you don't remove it you won't be able to remove the headlights completely out from the vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it's looking in the right side, because I removed the headlights assembly and the mounting support along with the headlight completely out from the car. And as you can see on this side, if you want to remove it, you'll have to remove this screw from right here. Then you'll have another one right here in the back. You'll have to remove that one from down there. Then you'll have one right here. And after that, you'll have to remove the screws which are securing the mounting support of the headlight. The one screw is right here. You have another one right at the top. And then as you can see right here, you'll have one right here in the corner. And then you'll have to disconnect all the washer cables, all the connectors, and also the headlight washer system. And only after that you can go ahead and pull the headlight out from the vehicle. And after you disconnect all of these things, you'll have to disconnect the impact sensor, which is situated right here behind the headlight support. And as you can see, you'll have to push the brown clip, you'll have to push it down, and you'll have to pull it out, and it will come out from its place like it's doing right here in my case. Alright everybody, with all of these things being said, it's time for me to disconnect it and remove it completely out from the vehicle. Alright everybody, so as also the steps which you have to take if you want to remove the headlight completely out of the car. You'll have to remove the connector from behind the headlight. You'll have to disconnect all the cables and the washer system from the headlight mounting support. And in the last you'll have to lift it up. You'll have to lift the entire headlight with the mounting support, and it will come out from its place, and after that you can put it away from the vehicle. Normally it's a very easy job, but the tricky thing is that the headlight support is connected with a lot of plastic clips, and those clips can be a little bit harder to release, but in some cases you have to struggle more or less, depends from car to car. So as you can see, right here I have the headlight system, and those are the clips which you have to push if you want to remove the headlight washer system completely out from the headlight mounting bracket. Right here it is the connector from the headlight impact sensor, and as you can see, this is how everything is looking. Those are all the cables which you have to remove. From here, normally it's a very easy job. You have to follow the exact same thing on the other side and you'll be good to go. Also, if you want to remove the headlight mounting bracket completely out from the headlight, you'll have to put the headlight with the face going down. You'll have to go behind the headlight, and you'll have two more screws which you have to remove using a Torx 30, and those screws are securing the headlight mounting bracket mounted to the headlight itself. Those are all the things which you'll have to do and follow if you want to remove the headlight completely out from any vehicle like this one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and comment down below. See you next time.